Hello my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share LV handbag, Alma BB handbag. You can see. Now I will show you the detail. The whole bag like this, yeah, and the material of the bag is LV Damier Canvs. Yes, this part. And cowhide leather, yes, cowhide leather, this part. Okay, I will show you. Okay, it's well made. Okay, yeah, the hardware is golden. It's shiny. The handles, yeah, handle. Okay, there's a leather bell and a logo here. You can see. There's a logo. It's clear, and here is a logo too. Okay, now let's look at the side. Yeah, this side. Okay, and another side. Yeah. Okay, this side. You can see it have two zipper heads. Yeah. And there's logo made in France, Louis Vuitton signature. Okay, the zip head. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's open the box. The bag. Okay. And there's a code number here. There is a label. You can see the label is here. Yeah. There's a label. Okay. Now let me show you some accessories. You can the bag. You can carry it by the handle or wear on the shoulder by the strap. Yes, here is a strap. You can see a strap, and a key. Yes, a key and lock. Oh, this is a lock. Yes, a lock and two keys. Yes, it's shiny. Yeah. Also, here's signature and the L logo. Yeah, on the lock. Yeah. Okay, and the instruction book and the card and the invoice and the silk ribbon and box. Yeah, box, some papers in it. Okay. If you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.